This evening, we're just keeping it simple. If you're following along, we're just going to start out with 1 pound of ground turkey. You can use ground beef if you'd like to, but I'm allergic to beef. Go ahead and brown this, and I did drain the fat off of that, and I like to rinse it as well. And you will want to make sure that your stovetop eye is turned down to low to even simmer while you're making this sauce. Now we are going to add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and you want to drain the liquid off the diced tomatoes. I'm going to add some spices, and there's going to be a little guesswork at this, but I will post the ingredients in the description when I post this. First, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, we're going to start by adding 3 tablespoons of oregano. We will add more. Let's go ahead and stir this up. Now we're going to add some salt, and you want to make sure to add plenty of salt to this. So I'm going to start out with, I'm guessing, a 1/2 to 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's give this another stir, and then we are going to do a taste test and see if we've got the correct amount of seasonings in here. I'm going to add another tablespoon of oregano. Oregano really makes this dish. So that's 4 tablespoons of oregano that we've added already, and a little bit more salt. Let's do another taste test. We still need some more oregano, so I'm going to add another tablespoon of oregano. So that's a total of 5 tablespoons of oregano. And let's add another teaspoon of garlic powder, so that's 2 teaspoons of garlic powder total. Let's blend that oregano and garlic into the sauce, and we're going to give it one last taste test. It's perfect this time. Now we're just going to put a lid on this and leave it on simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you're done with that. Also, upon occasion, we do add 1/2 of a yellow onion and 1/2 of a green bell pepper to this sauce. If you have a wheat allergy, you will not want to use this, but we used 100% whole grain thin spaghetti. And I used 1/2 of the pack, and this is perfect. And if you don't have a wheat allergy, this whole grain is so much better for you. Absolutely, so much better for you. You're getting fiber in that whole grain spaghetti. Okay, this is how we make our spaghetti at our house. How do you make your spaghetti? I think everybody makes it different, and it tastes so much better than buying a jar of spaghetti sauce.